Hello viewers, I'm currently driving through Eleko, just off the Lekki Free Trade Zone road here in Lagos. If you take a look on my right hand side, you would see the massive construction work ongoing on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. I must honestly say, the level of speed and progress on this project is quite impressive. What you're seeing here is the section where the flyover is being constructed. This bridge would connect the second section of the coastal highway directly to the Lekki Free Trade Zone. To be fair, there is serious heavy-duty construction happening here along this axis. This is not a small project by any standard. The scale, the machinery, and the manpower on ground clearly shows that this is a major infrastructure development. I have to commend the government for the effort being put into this section. As we continue along this road, I will show you how this corridor links the Ime Estate Phase 1 and Ime Estate Phase 2, connects also to Eleko Junction, and eventually ties to the Lekki-Epe Expressway. This gives a clear picture of how strategic this route is and how it will improve connectivity across this part of Lagos. I will be bringing back-to-back updates on every section of this project. So if today is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Watch this video to the end and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about the pace of work here in Eleko, especially at the flyover section here at the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway? Let's talk in the comments. Thank you.